Welcome everyone, Savannah here with Bogert Aviation. Bogert Aviation has been a trusted brand in aircraft maintenance products for over 35 years, and today we're excited to show you our bungee cord tool. Aircraft shock cords or bungee cords have a lot of stored energy in them, and trying to pry them into place is just asking for trouble. But safe landings and proper gear retraction are dependent on new cords every few years, so regular maintenance is critical. The Bogert Aviation Bungee Cord Tool is designed to work on Piper PA24 and PA30 aircraft and gives you complete control when removing and installing bungee shock cords. The bungee cord tool works by first utilizing the bungee holder to remove the bungee cord from the aircraft along with the outboard roller and bracket. Next, you screw in the bracket and the bungee holder and extend the arm. The old shock cord can then be removed and the new one installed outside the aircraft in a safe and controlled way. This makes this type of maintenance much easier and lowers the risk of injury or damage to the aircraft.